put energy into being likable. Now, I'm just going to be straight up on this. This takes more work for some people than others. It's just true. I do a lot of work with disc theory with teams. I want to tell you something about this. And there's nothing wrong with this. And I think it's important you understand this. I'm working with a leadership team right now, and they're actually working through their personalities and their personalities in conflict. And they're beginning to understand how, man, the things that motivate me are totally different than the things that drive and motivate you. I can't even believe that you actually think that way. And it's like their awareness is going to a whole different level. But when William Marsden came up with this theory originally, there are like two hemispheres here. So you've got the dominants, the drivers, people who are always on a deadline, always got this sense of urgency. The influence types, people like to be in the center of attention. They love relationships. The stable, supportive, they're the collaborators, and they love to have harmony in relationships, right? You love to have harmony. And so they can be whatever you need them to be. They just love to support. And then you have the C, the cautious types. They are the ones that they need clarity and they need accuracy. And they're always asking questions and they got to have all the answers. They got to have all the details. But what's interesting is on this side of the hemisphere, our D's and C's, relationships can be draining. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just a reality. It's part of what makes you good at what you do. But too much direct relational interaction over time, it has a tendency to deplete you, okay? Where on this side of the hemisphere, these people, they're energized. I love these environments. Man, I watch people walk in the door. I'm a high I. When people walk in the door, I'm full of energy. I love being in this room. The more I'm with people, the more energy I have. And so for some of us, it may just be our personality. It takes a little more work, but I would encourage you, it's worth the effort. We have to find ways and develop strategies to more effectively connect with and relate to people, because it is a huge dimension of success.
Hey, thanks again for watching today's video. And before you go to the bottom of the screen, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you go to billcoxcoaching.com, sign up for our regular newsletter to help you move from success to significance and lead your life in such a way that you live a legacy. Have a great day.